Welcome back to Nature View peeps. Today we're going to take a little drive go down by the riverside. As my peeps showing how I go on. So just stay tuned. Fully. Yeah guys, so this is the road if you head to the sea and the river, you know. Yeah, that is it. Kind of beautiful view there peeps. Kind of beautiful view there. Aligator pan, you know. Very beautiful, very, you know. Yeah guys, so we are continuing on the journey, so just stay tuned. These people, bridge now, because there's a bridge, it's part of St. Elizabeth and Manchester. So right now we're in Manchester, Duff House. You can see. That's I think people. See Duff House. Water, place, you know? Scary and a wreck. Time, man, something there. There people, yeah, Skeleton Garden. Let me show you, you know? Duff House. Both cars are now. The road there people, hold on, the road there Port Kaiser Road, the road that bring it to the river and the sea. You see it? Look people, look far ahead. The blue sun I see in the background of the sea. You see me people? So right now I head down there. You see me people? Yeah man. Just stay tuned man. Fully check Nature View TV. Yeah people. So now at the river gate. You get me? River gate. Gate open, I go over there and show you how I go on, but I go as a first, see sign the sea river. Yeah, I go show you the port. Or some lamp on the beach side out there, so I show you how I go on people, so I wanna dig, stay tuned man, I want to keep how I go on. I'm clean up the roadside and all I think for the holiday. But the end of man, a beer bush you know. One vehicle, two vehicles couldn't pass because of the bush and thing. As you can see right outside the port, that if you can see between, that's all. You know? Sure, they see our things. Yeah, that is it. Reach out the sea already people. See it look nice and calm. But that pity when I swim this morning. So showing the people how I go on, you know. Yeah man. Hillside there and thing, the train line right at the sun. Right above them rock there. Yeah, peeps, today I reached from the seaside. Out there, so I put cars at gate. But I'm not go out there, so just I take a walk on the beach. I see what I go on. You see it, people? Don't know nature view do it, man. It's all about the nature. All nature. I know I hear some birds up in there, so I don't know if you can hear them. Jankra fly and something, but some birds up in there, so I hear them. I don't know if you can hear them, peeps. I sit there. Yeah, man, you're out here. Walk on the beach. So a nice little spot. Could get away spot. But they do have vloggers already, you know, people. Yeah, they do have vloggers already. And check out it on the channel, man. And Pop Squad DVD. Corn pork and hockey. Some off over there, so they do the vlog. You know? Yeah, man, it's a beautiful scene. The wharf there over there, so. Or the port, whatever you want to call it, where the ship come. Collect the backside and stuff. But the lockdown you know still. Yeah, they're for operation, people. You can see. This look nice. No joke. This look nice for people. And man, you know, give thanks for life. Thanks to the Most High. Yeah, that is it. Now see, the wave them not even rough. You see the calm, people. Normally the water you know as calm as this, you know. Normally rougher than this. Yeah, man. But always beautiful, people. 15-minute drive from here at this very through the hill. This side of people back up some of the pass a long way up. Yeah, man. Beautiful. Place nice, man. Jamaica nice. Now we like yard. Now we are better than home. Oh, Jamaica this. The name. Our place, man. Yeah, guys, so want to subscribe to the channel, you know. There are 354 subscribers. I want to get you up to 1,000. So please, I beg you if you want to see the video them. Just subscribe and like and share and leave a comment. Let me know them heart love. Let's do that for people, isn't it? Yeah, man, cause next year I want to show about some video. I want to do some cooking and stuff. I've been a cook for one day, but I don't vlog because first time I did mash up. And I just have to run back to an old GoPro for a long time. So I hate this in I use, so I go and see it with people. Isn't it? Yeah, look beautiful. And the people like whelps or sea snail or something, you know. Don't say when I do them, I go with the people and go on another bridge there. And go on for the next time, we can find whelps. Whelp or whelps around there. See when I do them, man, I can see what I go on. I'll deal with them, you know. Can roast them. And boil them off first, curry with anything you want to do. I'm sure you know what I go on when I do people. I say water, yo, water pretty, you know, people. Oh my God. And the sun is shining out so. Oh God, beautiful. Nice day for God see, you know, man. Jaja. Do some fishing. Draw some line and something there, you know. Draw next sail here. Spear fishing. Oh, do some spear fishing on that time of people. Try it one time. And they like it, but you have to be interested again, but I do it one at a time, man. That's something new you can do. Yeah. Wander up there in the water, pretty, you know. Yeah. So I can carry them closer. Oh. Yeah, sit there. Beautiful. I don't know if you can see them, guys, like some bird footprint. Kids, I head back to the vehicle, I go find a different location and show you what I go on with the sea and river meet. Let's get you. Peace on if you can see them boat there in the water. Look at the man in my jar seeing. Yeah, seeing small fish like mackerel fish. Yes, like that. And you see two of them boat there and thing. So the man move close you can know. And I see the man in my jar net fishing and I see. That's it. That's it. Follow. Yeah, people. It's around on the little spot where I say, I can show you. Yeah. Nice look ends. I'm gonna lie. I do vloggers already. But they mash up on the other camera. My iPhone but I use it still. And the whole thing blank out. So the river guys see. This is where the river and the sea meet now. Right, that's how you see and the river meet people. Yeah? But normally I know the spot normally. You see, as you can see. I'm only going way back out so, but too many people, they feel like the river I go head back that way there. That's why this I get so close. Because even that day they are right up the sun. Normally they're further down. And look where they now. Yeah. So you see on the river meet. And hey people, Nature View TV, subscribe. Yeah, look a nice spot these people hang out and do a cookout. Man, my daughter would love these people. I swear. Nice man. Yeah, peeps out here. I touch the water, you know. I make a walk through the water. You know? Yeah. Whoa, that's sink. That's sink, people. Sun are coming like quicksand. Jaja. Terrible people. Sun I get soft out on the side there. You know? You spot the fan angle. So I listen. You see it? Oh man, nice little spot man. Oh, water nice. River water mix with the sea water, people, and when the warmest water you could ever feel. Especially you go along the sun and you feel the whole of the fresh water. with the salt water. Nice. You nothing want to come out of the water. People, I tell you. What me walking at people? Oh, this screwdriver on top. Huh? Hot. Oh God, me sweat. I need to wash the face around. People. Ah, that's so cool. Fresh water this. Nah, drink you. Nah, drink this water. But it goes to my water. Nah, drink it. Oh God, the water nice. Fish every day something for swimming at people. Oh God. Man. Water nice. I love it. Yeah, peeps, just to see what brand of water. I have a case, but the case is 100. You know? I get a wash face and feel cool on, you know. Yeah, my head hold man now, peeps, so. But stay tuned, man. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. River, sea, meat, yeah, people. Fully check. One love.